How to use best car insurance rate comparison sites properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Car insurance comparison sites are convenient, but most beginners make mistakes that cost money or leave them underinsured. The surprising truth is that not all quotes are created equal, even if the price looks low. The first mistake is focusing only on premium cost. Coverage limits, deductibles, and exclusions matter more than a cheap monthly payment. Low cost can leave you exposed in an accident. Another common error is entering inaccurate information. Age, driving history, vehicle type, and location affect rates. Mistakes can give misleading quotes and cause problems when filing claims. Many users ignore discounts. Bundling policies, safe driver, and low mileage discounts can save hundreds annually. Always check available savings before choosing a plan. A surprising mistake is neglecting customer service and claims support. You want a responsive company when accidents happen. Check reviews and ratings for reliability before committing. Finally, beginners often forget to update their quotes regularly. Market changes and personal circumstances affect rates. Checking quotes ensures you get the best deal over time. To properly use car insurance rate comparison sites, consider coverage details, input accurate information, apply discounts, research service quality, and review quotes periodically. This ensures both savings and proper protection.